In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish a site in Gamma app, step by step, so you can take your project from draft to live in just a few minutes. Whether you've built a presentation-style website, a landing page, or a simple public site, Gamma makes it surprisingly easy to publish and share it with others. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Gamma dashboard where all of your existing projects are stored. From here, find the site you've already created and open it. This is the important part because you want to make sure you're publishing the correct project and not starting from scratch. Before you publish, take a moment to review everything on the site. Check your pages, read through the text, look over the images, and make sure your buttons and links are working the way you want them to. Publishing is the step that makes your site visible to others, so it's always a good idea to do one final quality check before you go live. Now, once everything looks good, look toward the top right corner of the editor. Depending on the version of Gamma you're using, you may see a Publish button directly, or you may need to click Share first if the Publish option is inside the sharing menu. Either way, the goal is to find the option that lets you make the site public. Click that option and Gamma will bring up the publishing settings. Here, choose the setting that makes your site public or publishes it to the web. This is what creates a live version of your site that anyone with the link can view. After selecting that option, Gamma may show you a preview of the site link or a confirmation screen with the URL that will be assigned to your project. Take a second to review that link so you know exactly what will be shared. Once you're ready, click Publish or Update to confirm the changes. Gamma will then generate the public version of your site and make it available online. After the publishing process finishes, copy the published site link. This is the link you can send to clients, teammates, customers, or anyone else who needs access to your Gamma page. To make sure everything worked correctly, open that link in a new browser tab. This lets you see the site exactly as other people will see it publicly. Check the layout, images, text spacing, and overall design one last time in the live view. If everything looks right, then congratulations, your Gamma site is now published online and ready to share. If you ever make changes later, you can simply go back into Gamma, update your content, and republish or refresh the live version as needed. So that's the full process for publishing a site in Gamma app. It's quick, it's beginner-friendly, and once you know where the Publish button is, the whole process becomes super simple. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to see more Gamma tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.